Hello, this is Yoppie. Today I'd like to give you the detail of Tokyo Disneyland, the secret of how to use Priority Pass. I am Japanese, going to Disney Resort every month. I'm actually living just close to the Disney Resort. Hopefully this video will be a great help if you come to Disney in Tokyo. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is this video for? Do you know the Priority Pass? You must know this if you want to enjoy the rides in Tokyo Disneyland, DisneySea as well. I will give you how to make use of it. This Priority Pass was just started this July in 2023. When you come to Disney, basically, I think you really would like to get on as many rides as you can. So this will be a great help. So if you do not know about this, you may fail to enjoy Disney Resort. Let's go first. What is a Tokyo Disney Resort 40th Anniversary Priority Pass? What is a Priority Pass? Actually, Tokyo Disneyland is a 40th anniversary, so that now it's like a very celebrating time, and this was just released, as I said. This service, available free of charge, allows guests to select eligible experiences and enter the venue at a specified time and enjoy the selected experience with a reduced wait time. So it's very useful, but actually there's another kind of Priority Pass. It's called Disney Premier Access. Actually, it's different. So I'd like to give you the detail a bit. Here's on the left, Disney Premier Access. On the right side, it's a Priority Pass. Okay, first, price. The DPA is its paid service from 1,500 yen to 2,500 yen. But actually, Priority Pass is free of charge, and acquisition rule, fast come, first served, Priority Pass as well. Target rides and show. It's different, really. And DPA is 10 rides and show. Priority Pass is 14 rides. So if you'd like to use Priority Pass for DPA attractions, you cannot use it. Fourth, a specific time. You can choose a time for the DPA, but Priority Pass, you cannot choose a time. You have to go when you push the time it showed on your app. Number 5, how to get. Both of them Tokyo Disney Resort app you can get. And a period DPA is all the time. Priority Pass is a limited time. Maybe it will be finished 2024 in April, I guess. I'll give you the latest information after that. So, do you understand all of them? The next, what is the target rides? First, Pooh's Honey Hunt. This one's one of the most popular attractions in Priority Pass attractions. Second, Monsters Inc. Ride and Go Seek. Third, I love it, Big Thunder Mountain. Fourth, Space Mountain. Every time I go this attraction, I always, kinda have a pain on my neck after that. Next, Buzz Lightyear Astro Blaster. Actually, this attraction is closed at the moment. This will be restarted in November 2023. Next, Haunted Mansion. Very classic one. Last one, Star Wars The Adventures Continue. So there are 7 attractions in Disneyland. I told you about it's got 14 rides, but actually it's only if you say Disneyland, that's the 7 attractions, and another 7 attractions in DisneySea. Second, what time do you need to enter the park? As I said, the Priority Pass is, kinda limited. It's over the number. You cannot use it. Last time I went to the Disneyland, I just entered at 10 a.m. and let's get a Priority Pass.
はい、ということで2分ぐらいで入れました。よし。うわ、もう午後とかじゃん。プライオリティパスあんまないね。スペースマウンテン取る？ 12時50分から1時50分。これ撮ろっか。
じゃあ私はエントリーします。
スペースマウンテン12時55分で撮りました。いや、全然遅い時間やな。
Yes, so once you entered at 10, it's kinda, you have to get a very late time. You cannot get right in the morning, so I need to wait for 2 hours to get the next bus. So this one's a rule. How to get the next bus? If you meet either of the following conditions. First, 120 minutes after obtaining the last 40th anniversary priority pass, or after the start time of the last 40th anniversary priority pass, whichever is earlier, I guess. So this time for me, I got Space Mountain at 1 p.m. So I need to wait 120 minutes. So it was kinda horrible. Again, conditions at 10 a.m. You can only get Pooh's Honey Hunt 5 p.m. Monsters Inc. 16 p.m. Big Thunder Mountain 2 p.m. and Space Mountain 1 p.m. Haunted Mansion 11 a.m. Star Tours 10 a.m. I actually, after getting the priority pass, I went to the Star Tours, but it was only 15 minutes wait for Star Tours. So I think it's not a good idea to get the priority pass for this. I mean, if you get the priority pass, it's maybe you have to wait more than 5 minutes. So it's okay for me to wait 15 minutes. So here's a summary. If you want to ride on the popular attractions such as Pooh's Honey Hunt and Monsters Inc., you should enter the park at around 9 a.m. Very early in the morning, right? Third, what time will the pass be out of? So it was just before noon. I got another pass at the time. The priority pass condition was 12 p.m. It was Pooh's Honey Hunt out of stock, Monsters Inc. out of stock, Space Mountain 6 p.m., Big Thunder Mountain 7 p.m., Haunted Mansion 5 p.m., Star Tours 1 p.m. So it was, kind of disaster for me. I couldn't get Pooh's Honey Hunt and Monsters Inc. If you want to get Pooh's Honey Hunt and Monsters Inc., what time is the deadline? Here's a weekdays detail. Pooh's Honey Hunt 11 a.m., Monsters Inc. 11 a.m., Space Mountain 1 p.m., Buzz Lightyear 1 p.m., Big Thunder Mountain 1 p.m., A Haunted Mansion 3 p.m., Star Tours 3:30. This is just my prediction, so please check the app what time you can get. And here's weekends. Pooh's Honey Hunt 10 a.m., Monsters Inc. 10:30, Space Mountain at noon, Buzz Lightyear at noon, Big Thunder Mountain at noon, Haunted Mansion 2 p.m., Star Tours 3:30. So here's a summary. Weekend 10:30, weekdays 11 a.m. So this one's for the popular attractions. So please choose the attraction which you want to go and get it just before the deadline. Number 4. How much can we reduce the wait time? If you use a priority pass, you really want to know how much time you can reduce it. Actually, the priority pass wait time for the Space Mountain was normal is 35 minutes. It was reduced to 15 minutes. Yeah, I thought that would be just only 5 minutes or so, but you have to wait 15 minutes. And Big Thunder Mountain, it was normal one is 15 minutes, and it was 2 minutes I waited. So the waiting time wouldn't be 0. So you need to wait about 15 minutes even you use a pass. The Big Thunder Mountain was basically very vacant, so I could just go there with 2 minutes. So Disney Premier Access is better since we need to pay for it. The DPA is better than Priority Pass is free of charge, so you shouldn't expect too much.
あ、すごい、こんなとこに露骨に素敵な商品が。ごめんなさい、すごい露骨に宣伝やります。
涼しいで
よろしければね、どうぞ。お水めっちゃ出るんですね。出る。そうそう。ぜひどうぞ。
This Mickey is beautiful, isn't it? Number 5. Can we get the cancelled one? What do you usually do while you were taking a break? I think if you go to Disneyland, you walked a lot and you get very tired and you should have sweets. I ate strawberry shaved ice at Plaza Pavilion restaurant. This is only for summer, but if you go to the Disney resort before until the end of August, you can have shaved ice. It tastes very sweet and so juicy. Please try it. So I tried to get the cancelled priority pass more than 20 times, but I couldn't get it. I nearly get a haunted mansion. So once you try to get a priority pass, reload it, it sometimes showed up the cancelled. So it's okay to cancel the priority pass so that another person will try to get it. So you know, if you try maybe 100 times or more, you can get a great one like Pooh's Honey Hunt and Monsters Inc. But you should not expect to get the cancelled one. However, you can try as many times as you can if you have very free time. Number 6. Congestion information affected by the priority pass. Just before going for that, I will tell you the day I went to.
今日は8月6日です。日曜日です。2時47分。暑い。33度。さあ行ってきましょう。
It was a so hot day, and Japanese summer is horrible. Every time I go to Disneyland, I always, bring more than 2 liters water. So here's a detail of the congestion information. When you try to see the Beauty and the Beast is the most popular attraction in Disneyland, but actually this day was not so that. After 4 p.m. it was less than 15 minutes to wait. And Baymax Happy Rides, it's this is second popular attractions. It was also easy to get. Like after 3 p.m. you can get on very. After 3 p.m. it was only 35 minutes to 40 minutes to wait. And Space Mountain, it was 13 p.m. to 40 p.m. it was okay. And Pooh's Honey Hunt, it was busy. I think it's a reason for this is priority pass. And Big Thunder Mountain, and at noon it was very busy, like 70 minutes to wait. And Splash Mountain, now it's very popular since you can get wet. This was also not so crowded actually. So after 5 p.m. you can wait only 30 to 35 minutes. And Monsters Inc., this one's also 25 minutes to 45 minutes to wait. So every time I go, the Beauty and the Beast is like, you have to wait more than 2 hours or 3 hours in the Baymax as well. But now it's kind of different to the usual congestion. I think the rides which is available for priority pass was busier than the popular attractions. So here's the detail what time I got. The Beauty and the Beast, I went there at 5 p.m. and the Baymax Happy Ride, I went there at 2 p.m. The Space Mountain at noon using a priority pass. Pooh's Honey Hunt, I gave up to get there. And the Big Thunder Mountain at 8 p.m. and the Splash Mountain at 7 p.m. Monsters Inc. I didn't go there, but I'm quite satisfied to get on Beauty and the Beast with 45 minutes. Never happened right like that. This is it for today's video. What did you think about the priority pass? Did you understand? Did you understand how to enjoy it? Hopefully this video will be a great help. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at Disneyland. And please subscribe my channel. And if you come to Japan for the first time, please give me any questions if you have. Not only Disneyland, about Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto as well. Hopefully I'll give you a great plan to enjoy Japan. So this is it. See you next time. Bye bye.